Curiosity Lab is our first elementary school program. We're piloting it with McBrayer Elementary's 4th and 5th grade students. And our very first program is called the DIY Valentine Maker Edition. And in this program, students are learning how to use the Cricut as a cutting tool to cut cardstock and vinyl stickers, as well as using the Chibitronics line of sticker electronics. The Center for STEM+Excellence offers informal STEM+X opportunities for kids in Kentucky grades K through 12.
So this program is a way to bring students into the lab that might not otherwise have an experience with science. So it's going to extend their knowledge beyond just what they're going to be learning in school. It's another opportunity for them to have materials that maybe the school can't afford, but luckily MSU is able to provide these materials so they got to explore. And they really think their thinking gets to go like a little bit deeper. It's like a hands-on experience, and whenever you do something hands-on, there's like this connection. It's a kinesthetic connection between your hands and your brain, and when you do things with your hands, your brain remembers it a lot more. So I can teach them about circuits all day, but for them to actually make one, they better understand it.
My name is Alejo Shade Stacy Brandenburg. I am from Craft Academy. Craft Academy is a program where a bunch of high school kids go to college in order to experience the college experience and to also get dual credit. I am here as a service project. A graduation requirement for craft is at least 20 hours of service, and this event going on is a really good source of those said credit hours.
My name is Sasha, and I'm in 4th grade. I have learned a lot about circuits and how to use a Cricut, and also how to make pretty cool stickers. It's very cool to see it light up once you're finished. It might be hard work, but it's worth it to see the results at the end. This is a Iron Man card. My brother really likes Iron Man, so I put green LEDs to make his eye lasers, and I put Happy Valentine's Day. I put these yellow things because, well, Iron Man has yellow and red. And inside I put You Are My Hero because my brother loves superheroes and he wishes to become one day. So I just thought it would be fun.